Hello and welcome to Musto Invest in Cambodia. In this video today, I'll be showing to you our partner's factory located in Ta Khmau, where you can see our production and what's going on inside there. So sir, what are some guarantees that you provide for your buyers in case they want to order something from your factory, any garments?
First is the quality. We are not compromising any quality, and quality is we give guarantee for the good quality. Second, we are giving on time whatever we like the signing, discussing with the buyer. And then product, so we have all different type of products what they want, so according to the buyer we follow.
What are some requirements that you ask from the buyer's side in case they want to order something to export to another country from your factory?
We prefer they are visiting the factory first. They see the capacity factories and our qualities, our working style and all. And after that, we made for them the samples. And when they approve the samples, the price, all the fabric and all, and after that we discussing with them the according like the payment system and all. And after that we are going for the production and we are giving them. And if they want to ship their own self, they can do also. And if they want, we will ship for them. That we will do also.
Thank you. And sir, last question. Why choose your factory? Why choose your production? And why choose Cambodia?
Cambodia, it is a very good for a garment. That is the #1 industry. So for Cambodia is a garment only. And then Cambodia, that for a garment, very like the quality garment, you can see all the brand. Either you can see Adidas, Nike, Puma and all Forever 24, whatever you can see in a brand, you can see in the Cambodia, you can meet in Cambodia. And Cambodia, so quality very good, that all the export quality. And that when the buyer come and see that they are the garment buyer, they understand also about so all the garment, why the people coming in Cambodia, because of the quality, because of like the time commitment all, and fabric also the nice fabric.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
60 already.
So thank you so much. If you're interested in ordering any garments or fabric from our factory in Cambodia, or you want to order winter clothes, summer clothes, please contact us on our Facebook page, Instagram page, or contact me directly on WhatsApp and Telegram. Like the video, share it to your friends, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button, and I'll see you next time.